Let's see how to create a bullet list in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, a bullet list is something that we can use if we want to enumerate different things. So, for example, we want to list down several things. However, these things are can be rather explained in very few words. So it would make sense to have them emphasized through the use of bullets. And to create a bulleted list in Microsoft Word, make sure that you're on the Home tab. Now, look for the paragraph section and simply click on this icon right here, the first one. And when you click that, this should pop up in your document, this bullet right here. So, for example, I'll go ahead and type 1. And when you click enter, another bullet will pop up right there. Now, if you want a multi-level bulleted list, simply click on tab, and that should open up a sub-level within your bullet list. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.